Watch closely here. What you're seeing isn't just motion, it's coordination. The gantry extends, the front chuck moves forward, and the rear chuck follows in sync. Everything shifts together on purpose, so the material stays controlled from start to finish. This is what modern tube cutting looks like when the machine is designed around the work, not the other way around. As we get toward the end of the tube, people sometimes think there's going to be a collision. There isn't. The system knows exactly where every component is. The rear chuck moves out of the way, the tube stays locked, indexing happens automatically, and the final cut is made clean. What's left is about an inch of tail, and that's the point. Zero tailing isn't magic. It's engineering discipline. And keep this in mind, this is only a 3-kilowatt laser. No theatrics, no brute force. Just enough power, used correctly, with the right mechanical design. Take a look at the chuck size here, 240 millimeter. That size matters because it determines stability, accuracy, and how close you can work toward the end of the tube. On screen now, you're seeing the nesting. Clean spacing, predictable cut order, no guesswork. We're cutting sample parts here, holes, shapes, trims, and this is where laser changes the math. With laser, the labor is done at the machine. Parts come off weld-ready. With plasma, that's where the work starts, grinding, cleaning, fixing what heat distorted. Same part, completely different means of manufacturing. If you want to keep the inside of the tube pristine for a specific application, you can. Insert a sacrificial tube and prevent inside direct laser and slag contact. And for ultra-clean or medical requirements, we can even integrate internal dust extraction, capturing debris before it becomes a downstream problem. From this angle, you'll notice how close the rear chuck can work toward the front. You'll see this isn't accidental. It's designed so material support stays rigid while everything else gets out of the way. That's zero tailing done right. Minimal waste, maximum consistency. We cut or trim between pieces on purpose. Sometimes you want a perfectly fresh starting edge. No bends, no variants, no inherited problems from the last piece. That's not overkill. That's means of manufacturing. You control the process so the process doesn't control you. Different materials, different procedures, different rules. You don't drive a go-kart the same way you fly an airplane. Plasma is the go-kart. Laser, when it's done right, is the airplane. Every shop eventually learns this lesson. Some before they buy, some after. You can keep adapting your labor to bad equipment. Or you can buy a machine that removes labor from the equation. If you're ready to stop guessing and start cutting parts the right way, get in touch. We'll show you what your means of manufacturing should actually look like.